rin po sa baha ang ilang kalsada sa Quezon City. Naramdaman na nga sa Sarangani General Santos at ilang karatig na probinsya ang magnitude 6.8
In a single moment, everything can change. Are you prepared?
Magnitude 7.6 na lindol.
Pull over safe location away from traffic and hazard. Stay until shaking. Stop, shake for injuries. Damage. Be prepared to aftershock. If you damage building, evacuate as soon. Take in cover under study table or desk or stand doorway. Stay away from windows and anything that could pull on you. Clear spot, drop to ground. Stay. Identify items that might pull during shaking, such as television, shelves, mirror, and water resource. The items were straps, hooks, and latches. Have backup battery or wire to charge your cell phone and battery radio to inform safe. Include food, water, designed go 3 days supplies and stay at home kit 2 weeks of supplies. Drop and cover and hold under the building the building areas interior wall avoid form windows and building home kit. Inspect the outside of your home for damage before entering. If safe to do, check the inside. Listen to local radio, TV, or others new source for